Hi guys, welcome back. Subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any of my videos in the future.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a very special video for you guys. I'm going to share with you guys how you can transform your short hair into lengthy voluminous hair in just minutes. So what happened was, recently I had to cut my hair really short as it was really hot and humid here in Sydney. And not only that, you guys, my hair was falling out like crazy and I did not have any time to take care of my hair as I have a newborn and I had to take care of her, I had to feed her, and not only that, I have to do the household work and everything on my own. So I did not have any time to take care of my hair. So this video is for those guys who doesn't have the time and patience to look after their hair or is very busy with their lifestyle. So Sasina Hair was kind enough to send this package to me to try it out. This is 100% real human hair extensions. You can see they have. So it comes in this beautiful pink package, and when you open it, you can see the hair. This is the one. I love the packaging as it comes in this transparent plastic bag. As you can see, this is a 22-inch long human hair, and inside the box you can see they have also sent me a white tooth comb, which I love white tooth combs because it won't damage your hair, and also 2 of the extra hair clips, and they also sent me a beautiful eyelash. I really love it. And then last but not least, a leaflet where it explains everything about the hair and how to care the hair and everything. All the instructions are there. Okay, so let's check it out. As I said, it's 22 inches long, and I think it weighs 100 grams or 120 grams. I'm not sure about it, but I'll check, and all the details will be in the description box below. You can check it out. So you can see these are the clips. You can see this is the clip. So the hair is really soft. I feel like touching it, and no, there is no shredding. It does match my hair color, yeah, and I think it can blend in very easily. Anyway, let's have a look.
Start off by brushing your own hair thoroughly using a soft paddle brush or a white tooth comb to get rid of any tangles. Separate a straight thin section of hair with your finger or a comb at the nape of your neck and clip the rest of your hair away by using a hair clip. Take a 2-clip weft, brush it out before clipping it into your hair. Measure the weft against your head to ensure the size will fit perfectly into the sectioned hair. Find the center of your head and accordingly clip in the clips into the roots of your hair. Be sure to clip as close to the roots as possible. That's it for the first weft. The same process will apply for every weft. Separate a thin section of your hair from ear to ear right above the first clipped in weft and clip away the rest of the hair. Take the 3-clip weft, brush it out and measure it against your head to make sure it fits. Find the center of your head and clip in the middle clip into the roots of your hair. Once the middle clip has been clipped in, clip the left side and then the right side. Separate a thin section of the hair above the second clipped weft and clip the rest of the hair away with a hair clip. Take the 4-clip weft, brush it out, measure the weft against the sectioned portion to make sure it will fit perfectly. Find the center of your head and clipping the middle 2 clips into the roots of your hair, and then follow by clipping in the side clips. Make sure there are no bumps in the weft by slightly stretching the weft to the sides when you are clipping in the middle clips. You can adjust the weft until you become comfortable with it. Now separate a straight thin section of hair about 2 inches below the crown of your head and clip the rest of the hair away with a clip. Take the 3-clip weft. As usual, brush it out carefully and measure against your head to make sure it will fit perfectly. Find the center of your head and clip in the right clip into the roots of your hair first, followed by the side clips. Now take the 1-clip weft and clip into the right side of your head as shown in the video, such that the sectioned hair is completely covered. Now all the large wefts at the back of your head have been clipped in and only 2-clip wefts should be left. These are the wefts that should go on the sides of your hair. They will add volume on the sides and make everything blend in more seamlessly. Separate a straight thin section of hair about 2 inches above the ear on the side and clip the rest of the hair away. Take a 2-clip weft, brush it out and secure it closest to your hairline first. If you want to tease your hair, you can tease your hair. Then secure the 2nd clip closer to the back of your head. Repeat the exact same process on the other side of your hair. Brush your hair and check in the mirror to make sure that all the wefts are hidden, especially in the back. Here I am going to straighten my hair, including the hair extensions, to make everything blend in more seamlessly. So that's it guys, it takes around 5 to 10 minutes to turn your short hair into lengthy voluminous hair. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video with your friends, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and also click on the bell button for the future video notifications. So thank you guys, love you, bye.